Hello friends! So come with us today as we do some errands this Saturday. So first stop, punta kami ng Shoppers because I have a scheduled Tdap vaccine today for our baby. So dito lang siya sa Kingsway, 5-minute drive sa amin. So tara, paturok tayo. I'm currently 31 weeks pregnant, so sakto talaga because the recommended timing for the Tdap vaccine is between 27 and 32 weeks of pregnancy. So here in Canada, guys, well, specifically here in Alberta, some vaccines are actually publicly funded, so you can get them for free if you're eligible. So for example, the flu vaccine is free, and for pregnant women, the Tdap vaccine is also free during the 3rd trimester. So ayan, nag-fill out lang ako dyan. And then, wait tayo ng a few minutes. So while waiting, ito si baby. Ang likot-likot na at 31 weeks. And we're done. That was actually pretty quick. Now, let's do our second errand for today. Although I guess this one is more of a date than an errand. We're having a late lunch today and we decided to go to Brew and Bloom ba yun? Somewhere in downtown. Second time ko palang dito actually, and it's Kyle's first time. So gusto ko rin siyang matry yung food nila. Kasi why not? Minsan lang talaga kami makapag-date ng ganito ni Kyle. Especially now that I'm pregnant. Kasi madalas tinatanggihan ko na yung mga lakad namin because super selan and mabilis talaga akong mapagod. So, most of the time, nasa bahay lang talaga kami. And honestly, I don't mind naman because pang-restaurant din naman yung style ng luto ng asawa ko. Naks! So, paminsan-minsan pagbigyan natin siyang makalabas at makapag-date with his wife. Anyway, late lunch tayo today, so let's go to Brew and Bloom. So, these are what we ordered. So, syempre, Kyle ordered coffee. Sabi ko sa kanya, magpa-cute ka lang sa camera, di. Karir na karir. And then we got the chicken wings. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Okay naman siya, but honestly, mas masarap pa rin yung luto ni Kyle. Next, we have the pink pasta alfredo with chicken breast. Na-try ko na siya before. For me, medyo bland lang yung chicken. And then Kyle ordered a burger for himself. Presentation-wise, sabi niya parang Angel's Burger daw ng Pinas. But when he actually tasted it, nagustuhan naman niya. Sabi niya it melts in your mouth daw. And may side salad din siya, so balanced meal pa rin. At least may gulay. So yan yung lahat ng in-order namin. Overall, super busog kami. Hindi ko nga naubos yung food ko because sobrang busog na talaga. But I really love the ambience here. The place was nice and good customer service din. So next stop, syempre, time for the Lord. So we headed to St. Joseph Basilica and attended the 5 p.m. Saturday Mass. Because, with everything happening in our lives, blessings, challenges, and everything in between, let's not forget to make time for the Lord. Alam nyo, dito sa Canada, mas pinatatag yung faith naming mag-asawa. Kahit maraming challenges, we always remind ourselves to trust in God's plan. So kahit busy and pagod, we make sure to make time for Him. So ayan na, 15 minutes before mag-start yung Mass. Yan, tapos na ang misa. Now, time naman for Axie. So, we decided to pasyal-pasyal si Axie sa park. Somewhere outside our community naman para maiba naman. And para happy naman si Sisi this weekend. Anyway, maliwanag pa naman. So, yeah, sayang yung time kung uuwi lang kami. Pero, umuwi na muna kami sa bahay para sunduin ang aming Sisi. Then, let's go for our last errand na for today. So, ayan na ang aming panganay na anak. Halatang-halata, ang saya na naman niya. Sabi nga namin ni Kyle, we will always do our best to, give Axie the best life possible habang kasama namin siya. And even more so when our baby arrives soon. We're excited to see Axie become a big brother. For now, enjoy muna namin this little weekend walk with our first baby with the fur.
Look at mommy. Ay, nagpapapicture.
So, here na kami sa park. Actually, second time na namin dito. Pero, nung first time, hindi ako sumama sa walking kasi more like picnic yung ginawa namin. So, ngayon, since wala naman kaming dalang food, sasama na ako sa walking nila. Exercise na rin for me. Alam nyo guys, ang sarap lang sa feeling na we get to spend quality time together as a family. Kasi to be honest, hindi talaga kami masyadong magala. Diba? Hindi kami masyadong magala ng asawa ko dito sa Canada. Taong bahay kasi ako, so nadamay ko na rin siya. So kahit aya siya ng aya, actually nagsawa na rin siyang umaya sa akin kasi mas gusto talaga na lang namin sa bahay. Luto ng masarap na food, Netflix, chill lang. Pero, I promised him na once everything is settled and okay, babawi talaga ako sa mga pasyal at gala namin. For now, focused muna kami sa baby, sa career, and sa mga goals and dreams namin na hindi naman na namin kailangan ikwento. So, yun lang. Yung mama ko rin pala, hindi namin masyadong napapasyal dito kasi every time na pumupunta siya, winter season. So, gaya ngayon, papunta na naman siya this year. And pa-winter na naman. Kaya hindi namin siya masyadong nadadala sa mga parks and beautiful places din dito. So, ayan. Enjoy muna natin the rest of our little family day sa park. Time to go home. Thank you so much for joining us on our Saturday La Squatcha. We hope you enjoyed spending the day with us, guys. From errands, food, mass, and of course, our little park date with Sisi. Until our next video. Bye-bye!